Hey guys, it's Sans the Cool Dude 69420. After a last rant on Shark Tale, we're gonna do another group rant on Maximum Overdrive. But first, let's introduce all of my cast members that are all here, whatever. First, we have Cat Drinking Cats 9. Mr. Krabs Gaming Doll.
Hello, I like money.
My copy of Nicktoons Unite on the Game Boy Advance. Zor. Luigi, E102 Gamma, and my two Dynamite Gals, Toy Chica and Needle Mouse. Now that everyone is here, we are now going to yell and rage at this absolutely stupid movie. Now, I've never actually seen this movie, but from what I gathered of it, it's about vehicles that come alive and then destroy everything, which makes no sense at all. Why do the vehicles come alive? It's almost like it's a movie or something, but I doubt that's a very good excuse. Yeah, this movie really sucks. Yeah, this movie is very poo-poo. I do not like this movie. Yeah, this movie is not worth anybody's time. You'd be better watching The Good Dinosaur from Pixar rather than Maximum Overdrive. Now, as the final punishment, we are going to destroy it by having it do the Sans boss battle from Undertale. Is everyone ready? Let's go! Wow, guys, that was such a fun rant. See you all next time for when we do the Super Paper Mario Musical Act 4. Yeah, everyone, goodbye. I'm gonna go on to Mario. I'm going to go find my brethren. Come on, Toy Chica and Needle Mouse, let's go home.